Hello. Anybody here? Okay. Hi, welcome back to Mathlish. In this video, we are gonna learn how to do multi-digit addition. Okay. A multi-digit number is just a number with more than one digit, which is anything greater than 9. Two-digit number use two number places, like the number 32. Okay, it has a number 2 in the ones place. Okay, and the number 3 in the tens place. Okay, three-digit numbers use three number places. For example, we have the number 215. That's a number 5 in the ones place, a 1 in the tens place, and the number 2 in the hundred place. Okay, but no matter how many digits a number has, if you know your basic addition facts, you can add it to any other multi-digit number easily. Okay, so let's start by adding these two numbers together. Here's how it works. The first thing we need to do is stack the numbers up. By that, I mean rewriting them so they're on top of each number like this. Yep. $215 and 32. Okay. Don't slope it. Make sure they line up nice and straight. Okay, that's more like it. But here's the most important part. Be sure to line up the number places so that they are directly over each other. So that the ones place of the number on top is directly over the ones place of the number beneath it. Okay? And if you line up the ones place correctly, then all the other number places will be lined up too. The tens places are also lined up, and the hundreds places. Well, the bottom number doesn't have a digit in the hundreds place, but that's okay. We can imagine a 0 there as a placeholder, but we don't have to show it. Okay? After our numbers are lined up, we draw a line just below the bottom number, because our answer is going to go below that. We also put a plus sign down here on the left side to show that we are adding. By stacking the numbers up, we have 4 columns for each number place, and we are going to add the digits in each column. And this is super important. We always start with the ones place column, and then work our way to the left. And in the ones places, we have 5 plus 2, which equals 7. Okay? So, we put a 7 in the ones place of our answer, which is just below the line. Now, we can move left to the next number place column, which is the 10th place. The digits there are 1 plus 3, and that gives us a 4 in the 10th place of our answer. And let's suppose we add the 100th place column, but there's only 1 digit there, so we don't really have to add it. We just bring the 2 down to our answer like this. Of course, we could add the 2 to the 0 that we imagine there as a placeholder, but 0 plus 2 will just give us 2 also. There, 215 plus 32 equals 247. Okay, let's try another example. This one a little harder. 1850 plus 354. Okay, the first step is the same. We need to stack the numbers up so we can add each number place column. Be sure to line up the ones places and draw the line and plus symbol, just like in the last example. Again, we always start by adding the digits in the ones place. 0 plus 4 equals 4. So, a 4 goes in the ones place of our answer. Now, we move to the next place to the left, the 10th place. And here comes the tricky part. If you add the digits in the 10th places, 5 plus 5, you get 10. But 10 is a 2-digit number, so we could need to use 2 digits in our answer to write it. But we can't leave a 1 in the 100th place of our answer, because we are going to need that space when we add the 100th place digits. That 1 is gonna be in the way, so what do? The answer is we carry the digits that we don't have room for, so up to the top of the next number place column. Instead of putting it in the answer space, okay, we put it above the other digits in our hundreds place column, so that we can add it with the rest of the digits in that column. So you can see the 1 is gonna go in the hundreds place of the answer, just not by itself. It's almost like it has to get in line, so it can be added to the other digits in that column. Oh, and carrying the extra digits up to next column you're gonna add is often called regrouping. Because it's really like you're moving a group of 10 to the next column over and leaving whatever is left in the first column, in this case 0. Okay, now that we are carrying that 1, we can add up the digits in the hundreds place column, which equals 12. 1 plus 8 plus 3 equals 12. Another 2-digit number. Alright, it looks like we will have to carry again, because we are gonna need this answer spot for the next column to the left. So we carry the 1 up to the top of the next column and leave our 2 where it is in the hundredths place of the answer. Just one more column to add up now. In the 1,000 places, we have 1 plus 1 equals 2. Okay, we have added up all our columns. So the answer to our addition problem is 2,204. Think you got it so far? Let's try one more together before you do some of the exercise problems. Let's add up these 3 numbers, 145, 809, and 77. We start the same way, stacking the numbers up and making sure all the ones place line up in the column on the right. Okay, and as always, we add up the digits in the right hand columns first. 5 plus 9 plus 7 is 21. Sorry, is 21. Because that answer is a 2-digit number, we need to carry the first digits to the next column, which is like moving a group of 20 over and leaving the 1 behind. Now, we add the next column, and there are 4 digits to add. 2 plus 4 plus 0 plus 7 equals 13. Just another 2 digits answer, so we carry the 1 and leave the 3 in the 10th place. Last, we add the hundredths place column. 1 plus 1 plus 8 equals 10. Wow, another 2-digit number. But this time, we we don't need to carry because there's no more columns left to add. So, our answer is 1031. Alright, now do you know how to add multi-digit addition? But it's very important to practice so you will remember and get good at it. I recommended that you work a few problems each day for several days until you have got it down. Thanks for watching Mathlish, and I will see you next time. Goodbye.